Hello, what is your name?
My name is Lorna Palaruan.
How old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm Christian.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 3 kids.
Okay, how old are they?
10, 8, and 6.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
1 year.
Okay, do you have any working experience in other countries?
I'm United Arab Emirates.
How many years?
2 years.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your previous employer?
1 year.
Where's your employer living in?
Fundling.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
2,500.
How many family members there?
5.
How many children?
3.
How old are they?
8, 12, and 16.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 6 o'clock. Then I tidy my bed. And then I go to bathroom for clean my personal hygiene. And then after I go to kitchen, I prepare the food for the kids. Then after I prepare, I wake up the kids. Then maybe 7, we go to bus stop and then we wait the bus. And then after I go back to home, I clean all the house. Then I finish clean the house. I go to market. I buy food for lunch. And then I come to the house. I cook my employer food for lunch. And then after we eat, I clean the dishes.
Okay.
After clean, maybe I rest 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, I iron the clothes.
Okay, and
Then
then?
maybe 3 o'clock, I rest.
Okay.
And then maybe 4 o'clock, I prepare the food for dinner. And then 5 to 6, maybe cook the food for dinner. And then 7, we eat dinner. And then 7:30, finish food, I clean the dishes.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9 o'clock, I finish all the
Work.
cleaning.
Okay, thank you so much.